And you not at school today?
No, today's Sunday.
Sunday,
Sunday.
right?
Where
Yeah.
are you from? Where are you from?
Well, in England,
England.
yeah.
What do you like to do in India?
What do we like?
All the temples.
Very colourful.
Yeah.
Very colourful.
And in England, it's very cold at the moment, so we quite like the warmth.
What is your favorite food in India?
Favorite food in India? Let's have a think. Spring rolls.
Spring roll. I like the spring roll.
Yeah.
You also like spring roll.
You like spring rolls, yeah.
What is your favorite place?
Favorite place in India? Probably Agra, probably. Because of the Taj Mahal, yeah. 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 We like Jodhpur with the lake. You know, the temple on the lake. We like that. Yeah.
So we can click on one photo. Is it you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Photograph.